Along with carbon dioxide concentration and temperature, that's a phrase with the along. Light intensity, subject and verb. Light intensity affects the chemical reaction rate, object. Intensity affects rate of photosynthesis. As light intensity increases, we start a dependent clause here. As light intensity increases, subject and verb, so does the rate. So it's an inverted sentence where you will find the subject here and the verb. Yeah, the rate does so, at which we have a dependent clause again, at which the reactants are, okay, so I'll use a different color so you are not confused. Subject and verb. Yeah, so I'm gonna also say this is subject and verb in dependent clause. Okay, so sounds like we have dependent clause and independent clause after the blank. This is a dependent clause. Of course, when you guys take SAT, you don't have to mark this much. I'm just trying to show you guys how we eliminate the answer choice and how you can tell which is a main clause subject and verb and which is a dependent clause subject and verb. It will help, especially in punctuations. Okay, so which choice complete the text? All right, so if you put the choice A, if you say light intensity affects the rate of photosynthesis, and that's wrong. We are missing a comma, so it fails to mark the boundary. Fails the boundary issue. And I'll say also this is a run-on. Choice B is a comma splice. You put comma just to separate the two independent clauses. We've seen that enough. It's a comma splice. Choice C, photosynthesis and colon, that's fine because we have a complete sentence before, complete independent clause before the colon, and also we make a further explanation that the light intensity affects the rate. And after that colon, the intensity increase. We talk more about intensity, increase so does the rate at which the reactants are converted into their products. So because these two are tied as a further explanation, so colon is a correct way to choose this. I'm going to go with C and choice D. Photosynthesis with no punctuation. So just like the choice A, it fails the boundary and this will cause a run-on as well.